attestation is what now represents your birth certificate. Maybe because you were already born before the law was enacted that every birth in Nigeria should be registered.
Right. So this minister is indeed capable in the sense that he transformed the digital system of Nigeria regarding all modifications, applications, registrations, verifications, even as much as it has to do with every area, including the international passport. These things are now much more easier to do with just your smartphone and internet connection. That's why this birth certificate attestation has become even easier than you can imagine. It is very easy, but one mistake can ruin everything.
You can do it online anywhere you are in the world, and you get this online through the NPC website. Let's straight into the video while I show you simple step by step on how to do this. Understand that you have to pay absolute attention to the end so that you don't make unnecessary mistakes and start running around again to look for how to change this and all of that. Give this video a thumbs up, click subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you can get more amazing content from this channel next time I make a new upload. Here are all the requirements to get your NPC certificate.
Take a moment to read all the requirements so that we can proceed.
Now you check this box. I have read and clearly understood the above guidelines. And then you click attestation. You have two options here, make payment or reference number. First of all, you select option for make payment and input your email address. Now you click on next. Select the option with which you want to make payment. Let me use option for pay with transfer. Here is the amount you're going to pay and the account number. Now you copy the account number. I use Access Bank. Just log into your mobile app. Select other banks if you're not using Paystack. Then type the name of the bank, Paystack Titan. Now paste the account number. Type the exact amount. Make sure it is not more or less. 3,045 naira. You can confirm that. Yeah. And now if you like, you write the purpose. The purpose here is birth attestation. After typing that, now you click on proceed. Now you click on pay and input your bank PIN. Okay, now so let's go back to the NPC website and see. You see payment successful. You want to check the email address you inputted. You remember formerly everything was about phone number, but now it's email so that you can do it from anywhere in the world and receive code. Now in the email address, it shows that you have actually paid. Now the most important thing right here is this reference number. So copy it out and then get back to the NPC website. It is still checking the transaction status there. So you just cancel it, log out again, then log back into the app. Just click I have read and agreed, then scroll down and select status. You have to verify this captcha each time. This time around, you click option for enter reference number and then paste that reference number they sent to your email. Click I'm not a robot, then click verify reference. Now here they also have their proof here that you have paid. Proceed. Enter your NIN number. Now you have to also capture. Okay, so here we have it. So now all your details will automatically appear. Then those ones that did not show, it's still your opportunity to correct them from here. Now just take your time and fill up this. It is a very long form, so I might have to pause it and then continue with the next one. But if you observe up here where it's written number 1, number 2, number 3 and number 4, you'll notice that this filling of the form is in 4 phases. So now I'm done filling the first section. Just import it to this place. Now you type your place of birth, you type your state of birth,
Now your place of birth and state of birth is a different place entirely. Your registration state and your local government of registration is where you are residing right now, even if you were not born in that place, like where you are right now as you are filling this form. So just make sure you are able to know the difference between your state and local government of birth and your state and local government of registration. Finally, you preview all these things and make any more correction you have to make before you now click on proceed. Now they said in few hours, kindly check the status. Now in few hours time, I will log back in and check the status. Now open the email address you used when you were applying for your birth attestation. Copy the reference number that was sent to you by Paystack. Move on to the NPC website. The NPC website is https:/attestation.nationalpopulation.gov.ng/welcome. The reference number that was sent to your email is the only proof that you have paid that sum of 3,000 naira. And if you lose the reference number without printing your birth certificate attestation, you would have to start afresh with filling all of those details and making payment again and waiting to print it. You don't have to go reading all of this again. Just check this box, then click on check status. Paste your reference number and click check status. If you see this, it means that your certificate is ready. Now before you download, there are precautions you need to take so that you won't start all over again to make payment, fill the form, and now coming back to this point. Click on download and within 2 seconds it will save to your phone gallery. And how will you be sure it actually saved? Now immediately it's saved, look up here and click on the message that showed you it has been downloaded, because it's either you find it in your download files in your phone gallery or you find it in your lost files where you can no longer see it. Now the only reason why it can get lost are for reasons like low memory, and some other errors might also occur. So in order to avoid this, you have to now share this to other sources. So many options right here, as you can see, where you can share or save it to. Now let's start with Drive. Now as your Drive opens like this, select the email address you would like to save it in, and now type the exact name of this. The name is birth certificate attestation or birth attestation certificate, whichever you want to trace the English. Now you click on save above. Now it is permanently saved in your Google Drive. Now let's open the gallery, the phone gallery, to see if it actually saved in the first place. Now luckily it's in downloads. I hope this helps. Give this video a thumbs up. I hope you have subscribed to this channel. If not, you might never see us again.